Hi, I'm Matt Masterson, Chief Editor of WritersLife.org, and I want to show you one of the best writing tools that I've seen in a long time. It's called Get It Done, and I never sit down to write anything without it. This high-definition audio CD is like having a writing coach and motivator at your side at all times if you're finding it hard to complete or even start writing your book. The information that's shared with you on the Get It Done audio CD makes getting your book written, completed, and published super easy. With it, you'll effortlessly overcome procrastination, become more organized, and even if you have a super busy life consisting of a job, spouse, kids, activities, and even pets, this information will show you how to still find lots more time to write. You'll also develop a lot more faith and confidence in your writing and finally get your book published and made available to the world. This is the same tool that allows writers of all sorts who have a great book idea to develop extreme and total confidence in your writing ability and the ability to overcome any obstacle that, until now, may have been standing in your way all along. And right now, it's yours absolutely free. To get your copy of the Get It Done audio CD today for free, simply click on the button below this video right now to tell us where to ship it. Give yourself the edge that you need to finally go from simply having a book idea that up until now you've only talked about or thought about to having your book written, completed, and published. Grab your free copy of the Get It Done audio CD right now while you still can. Don't miss out.